with the admission season now in full flow, a lot of candidates or a lot of y'all who've cleared 12 standard are now confused on what course to select. Should I select BCom? And if I do BCom, especially if you're from Mumbai or from Maharashtra or from MU, BCom has its variants. You have BCom specializing in accounting and finance, more commonly known as BAF. You have BCom specializing in financial markets, which is known as BFM. And you have BCom specializing in banking insurance, which is known as BBI. So a lot of questions come through that, you know what, I want to pursue BFM, but what is it? Or I am pursuing BFM. What are my career opportunities after BFM? What will BFM's 3 years look like for me? So if you are interested in any of these topics, please ensure you go through this entire video which is going to summarize BFM opportunities, professional qualifications, and what jobs can you pursue. So to start with BFM, firstly, go by the name, financial markets. Very, very focused on the markets and in the investment industry. You're going to study subjects such as focusing on equity. You're going to study subjects focusing on derivatives, fixed income, alternative investments, very, very common to the CFA curriculum. However, since it's also BCom, you'll also cover aspects of commerce such as business law. You'll cover quants, subjects such as e-commerce as well. So what's common between BCom honors, BCom as BAF, BFM, BBI, other common subjects such as quants. But when you're also doing these subjects, quants in BFM will focus more towards the market-related math and statistics, such as correlation, wherein quants or BAF rather will focus more towards the accounting side of math. So again, subjects might be common, but the curriculum varies. You will also cover a subject called as IT or information technology, where you will cover basics of Excel, which is very, very important if you want to go and pursue a job. So once you graduate as a BFM candidate, you will specialize more in the markets. You will have knowledge about the markets. Now, a very common question is, what if I'm not interested in BFM? That's absolutely fine. Your core competency is yet BCom. You've yet completed your bachelor's in commerce. You can pursue an MCom, you can go to a family business, or completely change your direction. A specialization in your undergraduate doesn't determine the path of your career. I know so many candidates who are pursuing CA out of BFM, which is an odd choice, but that's absolutely fine. Myself, I pursued BBI, specializing in banking insurance, but I went on to pursue ACCA, but I eventually worked in the banking sector. So these permutation combinations are fine. This does not determine the pathway of your career. However, it gives you an idea of what area you want to specialize in. Talking about professional qualifications that you can pursue with BFM, the most common qualification is CFA because it goes hand in hand, right? There's a lot of topics that are complementary or are there in both the curriculums. However, BCom is of an easier level. You study the absolute basics in BCom, wherein CFA you obviously go to greater depths. Another common course that's pursued with BFM is FRM, that is specializing in financial risk management. If you want to understand more about the CFA and FRM course, we've posted both the links for these videos in the description. Have a view, have a look. If you want to inquire more about CFA and FRM, do give us a call on the number given here. Lastly, what kind of jobs and placements can you avail as a BFM graduate? So, like I said, BFM focuses on the markets. So, a lot of colleagues, a lot of peers that I know of, a lot of seniors that I know of are now focusing towards the markets. They've started their careers like equity analysts. They've gone on for college placements towards the Big Four, specializing in the FS or financial services sector. A brownie point is always going to be, if you're pursuing a CFA in your third year and you're applying for placements, you're more likely to get a job towards the financial services sector. Reiterating, if you're a year down BFM and you don't really find an interest in the markets, it's absolutely fine. Complete your BFM, you get specialized in commerce. Look where you want to specialize in. Pursue an MCom, look at a master's, look at an MBA, look at work experience, and then decide your pathway. Just a very common rule to know: what you choose, BAF, BFM, BBI, does not necessarily determine the pathway of your career. If you have any particular questions with any specific course, please put them in the comment section. We're more than happy to help. If there's any video that you'd like us to do, again, put it in the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe if you already haven't. Thank you.